Hello friends, and thank you for joining us on Quiet Books for Bedtime. You can listen to us on Spotify or YouTube at Quiet Books for Bedtime. Snuggle up as we begin tonight's tale. Little Excavator by Anna Dewdley. Here come the big rigs rolling down the street. Thumpa thumpa, bumpa bumpa, beep beep beep. Can you see Little E ready on the spot? He's a little excavator working on the lot. Wham goes the dozer, knocking down the walls. Rumble, rumble, crumble, crumble, fall, fall, fall. Little E is busy. He goes bam, bam, bam. Uh-oh, little excavator. Now you're in a jam. Grrrm goes the loader, lifting up the trash. Pusha, pusha, smusha, smusha, smash, smash, smash. Little E tries lifting up some junk, junk, junk. But there goes little excavator, over with a clunk. Droom goes the dump truck, with a load to lug. Thunka, thunka, clunka, clunka, chug, chug, chug. Little E just wants to lug all day, day, day. Look out, little excavator, don't get in the way. Rump goes the backhoe, digging in the dirt. Clang, clang, bang, bang, work, work, work. Little E is helping too. He can dig, dig, dig. Not yet, little excavator. Someday when you're big. Whirr goes the tall crane, rising to the sky. Whoosh, whoosh, swoosh, swoosh, high, high, high. Little E is stretching. He gets tall, tall, tall. Sorry, little excavator, you're too small. Now there's one last job and the busy day is done, but no big rig can do it, not a single one. Everybody tries it, and it's much too tight. But can it be? Little E fits just right. Good job, little excavator. Time to take a bow. There's work to do, just for you, here and now. You may be small, little E, but you will grow. You're a mighty little excavator. Go, go, go. If you like the content that we produce, please consider supporting us with a donation through our Patreon at patreon.com/quietbooksforbedtime. Donations allow us to purchase more books to read for the show. Thank you, and stay snuggly.